Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of spark. Emit sparks of fire or electricity. For example, the ignition sparks as soon as the gas is turned on. The second definition of spark. Ignite. For example, the explosion sparked a fire. American pronunciation. Spark. Spark. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Spark. Say. Spark. Spark means emit sparks of fire or electricity. Spark. Spark. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Quickly, what was it that sparked the light bulb? Now, repeat after me. Quickly, what was it that sparked the light bulb? The second practice. Those provocative words have sparked an emotional debate and strong reactions. Now, repeat after me. Those provocative words have sparked an emotional debate and strong reactions.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.